Hello students, in this video lecture we'll discuss about a resultant of parallel force system. Varignon's theorem of moments means what, so that after listening this lecture you will be able to find out easily resultant of parallel force system. Now I represented one bar which is bar ABCD, horizontal bar having length equal to 6 meter, and four forces are represented. I taken magnitude of all forces for a better understanding. Now all forces are in vertically downward direction. Now till now what you know how to find out resultant of concurrent force system. So simply we'll add all components along x-axis, all components along y-axis, right? And then we'll get Rx, Ry, finally applying Pythagoras theorem R and then theta. Now in this case, all forces are parallel. All are acting in this case vertical direction, in that one also vertically downward direction. Meaning of resultant, if you are recalling, resultant means what? All the given forces can be replaced by single equivalent force. Meaning of equivalent is what? Effect of given forces and effect of single resultant will remain same. That means it is a single equivalent force, and such single equivalent force is called as resultant. To find out here resultant, I can apply here equation simply along y-axis because all forces are acting in vertical direction. The summation of Fy, if we'll apply, this is our sign convention, upward positive. Now if you'll see all are in downward direction, that means can you say all are negative, minus 100, next minus 100, next again minus 100 and minus 100. That means what we'll get here? Minus 400 Newton. The negative sign represents what? This resultant 400 Newton acts in downward direction. This is one part of problem. Okay, this is magnitude and direction of resultant. To define a force completely, we must know what? There are 3 points. एक रहता है magnitude, second one direction, and third one is what? Point of application. जो प्रॉब्लम कॉन्करेंट फोर्स सिस्टम में नहीं आता है बिकॉज रिजल्टेंट पासेस थ्रू पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्करेंस. अभी ये जो रिजल्टेंट आ गया है दैट विल पास थ्रू व्हाट? दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ए से पास होगा कि बी से होगा कि सी से जाएगा, डी से जाएगा, वी डोंट नो एट दिस स्टेज, राइट? बट यू नो मीनिंग ऑफ रिजल्टेंट इज व्हाट? कि इफेक्ट ऑफ four forces 100 100 100 100 and effect of this force resultant equal to 400 Newton. That should be same. Now effect of these four forces means now what is rotational effect? That means you can find out what? Moment. Moment if we'll find out, we'll get its rotational effect. That means what we'll do, I will take moment about this point A, sum of moment about point A, taking anti-clockwise moment as what? Positive. The moment of first 100 Newton about A is what? 0. Next 100 Newton which is acting at B, if we'll find out moment, that will be clockwise, that means minus, and what will get 100 force vertical, distance horizontal means 2. Next 100 Newton which is acting at C, उसका distance क्या रहेगा? तो from A up to line of action of 100 Newton at C means 2 plus 2. What will get? 4. Moment is what? Clockwise, minus 100 into 4. What next? Again clockwise movement due to 100 Newton force which is acting at D. Movement is clockwise. Distance क्या रहेगा? Line of action of force at D means that 100 Newton जो force है. Vertical line of action. A से distance कितना आएगा? 6 meter. That means if we'll find out, ये हो जाएगा 600 for 1000. That means minus 1200 Newton meter. अब ये negative sign आ गया. Negative sign means what? This one is what? Clockwise. ये आ गया आपका clockwise movement. This is effect of all these four forces. If we'll add rotational effect, what will get? 1200 Newton meter. अभी जो रिजल्टेंट निकालना है उसका इफेक्ट सेम आना चाहिए 1200 न्यूटन मीटर. दैट मीन इधर क्या करते हैं? आई ड्रॉ वन इक्विवेलेंट डायग्राम. मीन्स से दिस वन इज अगेन बार AD, सेम बार, राइट? एंड हियर दिस end is what? A, other end is what? D. अभी क्या करना है कि ये जो रिजल्टेंट डाउनवर्ड है where will represent on this bar, so that ये जो रिजल्टेंट का मूवमेंट आएगा that movement should be same as that of 1200 Newton meter. That means we don't know where is the position. So what we'll do, I'll represent first this resultant. We don't know where is the position. I'll represent arbitrary say at this location. And this one, what will get here is say this force is what? ये आ गया आपका resultant R. अब इसका location we don't know. Therefore, what we'll do here? We'll represent here distance, any distance, which one we don't know, right? Now to represent this distance, you can write d, you can write ex. Horizontal है तो convenient to write ex, right? अगर vertical रहेगा तो it is convenient to write y. Okay. Now this resultant r जो force है, this one what you have calculated, I'll represent here. This is what 400 Newton. देखो इधर resultant downward है तो here you have to represent downward. जो direction आएगा resultant का same direction will represent here. Distance we don't know. But इसका जो movement आएगा ना 400 Newton का about point A, that should be same as that of 1200 Newton. That means summation of moment of all forces about this point A what we have calculated and moment of resultant about this point A both must be same. दोनों same रहना चाहिए. That is the meaning of resultant कि it is the equivalent force. Equivalent means effect of that given forces and effect of resultant is what? Same. That means if I'll write here now in equation form, sum of moment of all forces about this point A equal to moment of resultant about same point A, that must be same, then only they are equivalent. अभी आपका sum of moment क्या आ गया बताओ? That is what 1200 Newton meter. And moment of resultant देखो क्या आएगा? R का moment again clockwise, that means what? Minus R, what distance? X. That means this will be what? Minus how much? 400 into X. आपका distance क्या आ गया इधर? 3 meter. That means point of application of resultant you are getting applying this equation, and what finally you are getting x is what 3 meter. तो आपका ये point of application आ गया, right? तो ये जो आपका sum of moment of all forces about any point equal to moment of resultant is called as Varignon's theorem of moment. This is what Varignon's theorem. Varignon's theorem of moment. That means in short Varignon's theorem का statement क्या हो जाएगा? When any number of forces acts on any body, summation of moments of all forces about any point is equal to moment of resultant about same point is what Varignon's theorem. Using Varignon's theorem what we are getting? तो आपको distance मिल रहा है. That means use of Varignon's theorem is what? To find out point of application of resultant. Okay. That means now in resultant of parallel force system, what are the steps to find out, right? Here, steps to find resultant, right? Resultant of what? Resultant of parallel force system. तो आपका इधर फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या आएगा कि नंबर 1 we'll find out R, right? Find R using what? Maybe summation of fx equal to 0 or R equal to summation of fy equal to 0. By return to equation either x direction or either y direction, because parallel force system है तो एक तो horizontal रहेगा या vertical रहेगा या तो सबका सब inclined रह सकता है ना. तो out of to anyone. अभी in this case we applied equation along y axis. Horizontal रहेगा तो we'll apply R equal to summation of fx. Using this one we'll get what? इधर से क्या मिलेगा? Finally magnitude of resultant. इधर से क्या मिलेगा? Magnitude. And इसका direction भी मिलेगा, right? समेशन ऑफ एफ वाई करेंगे इक्वेशन तो आंसर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आता है तो अपवर्ड डाउनवर्ड जाएगा. समेशन ऑफ एफ एक्स इक्वेशन अगर अप्लाई करेंगे तो पॉजिटिव आएगा तो राइटवर्ड, नेगेटिव आएगा तो डाउनवर्ड. दैट मीन्स इधर से मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन. एंड नेक्स्ट जो है टू फाइंड पॉइंट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रिजल्टेंट. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट? टू फाइंड पॉइंट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन. आपको पॉइंट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन निकालना है ना. पॉइंट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ resultant, use Varignon's theorem. What will use? Varignon's theorem. Varignon's theorem in general कैसा लिखते हैं? तो moment of resultant about any point, say O, A, B, C, any point, say about point A, taking this anti-clockwise moment positive equal to what? Moment of summation of movements of all forces about same point, point same रहना चाहिए, movement center should be same. That means effect of all forces अगर point O पे निकालते हैं तो movement of resultant about same point. Using this Varignon's theorem of moments, what will get here? Point of application of resultant. In next video lectures, we'll solve problem based on parallel force system and general force system. Thank you.